1, 2. Oh, sige na. Host na nga. Sasayaw pa, Pak. So, saan na? Malang bayad ko dito, Hana. Oh, dalawa lang. So, Morales Sisters ka nun. To be followed. Sino yung may gustong tasayaw ng LA? Paulit-ulit lang ito hanggang matapos yung music. So back to normal na naman. Okay. Back.
I'm gone. Oh, you can tell your friends just what a fool I've been.
Asa na si Askal at saka yung partner ni Askal. Halika kayo dito para magkuha na kayo ng number. Follow the leader, yung naka-white ditong dalawa na napilitan lang silang sumayaw ng Grandmars. Go! In-enjoy naman nila. Back! Back! Oh. Oh. Showdown man, showdown. Yung tigdadalawa. Yung pinaka. Okay, ag-showdown tayo. By two. Okay, let's start. Dito sa leader. 1, 2, 3, pair number 1. Bam. Oh. Thank you very much. Next in line, dagito yung naka-turban. For orders, contact me, okay? Oh, next in line! Bam! Ay, si Miss Bukod! Sana si Mr. Supply! Next in line, pair number 4! Ay, pakemi ito. Ay, nakahils na si Madam kasi. Pair number 5! Oh, bam! Ay, bongga. Oh. Kalinga niya. Pair number 8. Oh, di ba mga servers natin? Sumayaw na lang sana pala kayo kanina. Okay. Pair number 9. Sige, tinalo pa kayo ng nag-serve. Pair number 10. Pair number 11. Pair number 12. And last but not the least, our newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Epler. A round of applause. There you go. Magkanta kayo man nun. Sige, stop the music. Ay, nakasend today, newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Epler. Ayan, so we will sing another song, Happy Wedding. 1, 2, 3. Happy wedding to you. Happy wedding to you. Happy wedding, happy wedding. Happy wedding to you. Mabilis. Happy wedding to you. Happy wedding to you. Happy wedding, happy wedding. Happy wedding to you.